Tired of Telegram holding back? Feeling like you're missing out on content that's simply hidden from view? Today, we're exploring Nicegram as the key to unlocking that hidden world and reclaiming control over your Telegram experience. First, ensure Nicegram is installed on your device. It's your direct path to a more open Telegram, open Nicegram. And let's head over to the settings. Within the settings, locate the section typically labeled General, or a comparable title. This is where the process truly begins. You'll discover an option, likely named something like Enable Sensitive Content. Currently, it's probably deactivated, restricting access to that additional layer of content. Proceed to activate the switch with a simple tap. A confirmation prompt might appear. Simply accept it. Instantly, the filters are removed. You'll immediately observe a broader selection of channels and media becoming available. This allows for the exploration of diverse viewpoints and the enjoyment of content without those aggravating limitations. Consider this an enhancement to your overall Telegram usage, providing greater freedom and command over your viewing preferences. So go ahead, expand your horizons, explore further, and truly personalize your Telegram. Enjoy your browsing.